Ryobi is one of the most prominent tool manufacturers that have made considerable waves in recent years with its huge range of tools. So in today's video, we will show you the 10 coolest Ryobi power tools that you have never seen before. Let's start with the wholly refined glue system of Ryobi. This all-new glue pen seems more like a rotary tool, but is specifically designed to handle multiple applications like small joint attachments, surface lamination, product assembly, and more. In addition, this compact tool heats up in less than 30 seconds and increases your productivity. The small head size allows you to apply glue even in the tightest space, and the powerful battery ensures your needed runtime. Looking for such a grinder that also has the capability to cut and sand? Count on this Ryobi R18 AG1 angle grinder that generates up to 9,000 RPM of speed and tackles a wide range of materials. It's compatible with all the 125mm discs, making sure you get the right disc for the right job. This angle grinder features a soft start mechanism and line lockout function, which lets you operate with maximum comfort. Meanwhile, the two-piece guard and tool-free adjustment eliminates the operating hassle. Not just that, the ergonomic handle of the R18 AG1 angle grinder can be positioned at 3 different angles, so you'll get the topmost control for specific applications. When it comes to freeing your sidewalks and driveway of snow and ice after a winter storm, you're definitely going to need this Ryobi RY408110. Well, it's a lightweight, easy-to-use snow shovel that provides a total clearing width of 12 inches and a depth of 6 inches, so you can save a huge amount of time while on the job. This automatic shovel can throw snow up to 25 feet away, so you don't need to take the hassle of cleaning back and forth. With a variable speed trigger on the handle, the RY408110 allows you to set the clearing power regarding the snow thickness. Plus, the snow shovel offers ultimate versatility that saves money, time, and space. You always don't need a large and bulky pressure washer to get high water pressure. You better pick one of the Ryobi AC pressure washers for all your cleaning needs. First and foremost, this range comprises 4 different units from 110 to 120 bar, which will help you in basic maintenance cleaning, and 130 to 150 bar for extremely dirty surfaces. Each tool has an ergonomically designed shape and a convenient carry handle that ensures safe transportation. No wonder the lightweight design will be a plus for regular users. These washers support various nozzles that you can use in multiple cleaning jobs, especially in automotive jobs. And the durability? Of course, Ryobi didn't overlook it. Don't get confused by its name. The Ryobi RY18 SCXA is an absolute blessing for DIY garden maintainers and professional landscapers. It's a great tool for people who can't spend much energy on cutting medium or thick branches around the garden. The RY18 SCXA Cicator needs only 3 seconds for trigger activation, which maintains high user safety. This tool has up to 28mm of softwood cutting capacity that takes only 1 second to make it, thanks to its Japanese chrome-plated SK5 bypass blades. Despite being compact, it allows you to make up to 1,500 cuts on a single charge. Hold on. There's also an LED light which improves visibility in dark areas. Imagine you have some cleaning jobs requiring you to climb or bend down. Well, Ryobi knows that hassle. That's why it's designed this R18 TPS telescopic power scrubber that makes all the demanding cleaning tasks easier than ever before. This tool simply extends so high, meaning you no longer have to go high to scrub those stubborn dust marks. If you have a pool or spa, you can use this power scrubber to clean their sideways too. On top of that, the R18 TPS is fully water resistant. Just make sure the battery slot doesn't get close to the water. This scrubber is ideal for nearly every type of surface: concrete, wooded, ceramic, and all. Guests are arriving, but you still haven't cleaned your front yard? You better go with this Ryobi R18 SW3 and get yourself saved from those cleaning hassles. This easy operable sweeper provides you with excellent maneuverability and control. With its fast-spinning brushes, which rotate at 140 RPM, it allows you to sweep the front or backyard of the house effortlessly. On top of that, this debris sweeper offers a fantastic runtime of up to 3 hours and 20 minutes, so you don't have to leave your cleaning incomplete. Plus, you can use the R18 SW3 to collect dead leaves, grass cutting, sawdust, wooded offcuts, nails, and screws from various surfaces. So even if you need to clean up pathways, driveways, or garage floors, this debris sweeper can do that too. How about getting this Ryobi R18 ID3 impact driver as a birthday present? Oh, you're a lucky guy, because it's an all-rounder when it comes to driving screws. It features 3 speed modes, high, medium, or low, to drive screws of multiple sizes. Surprisingly, this impact driver produces around 200 Nm of torque and provides up to 40 times more power than a regular drill. Thanks to the efficient impact mechanism, this driver takes out the effort of driving screws and improves your productivity. The R18 ID3 has a lightweight design and perfect weight-to-size ratio that lets you maintain the perfect balance between job and job. Screw driving is no longer a hassle now. Okay, you have some urgent project to complete, but the blackout is making it difficult? No need to take the pain if you have this Ryobi RPH 361-800 power station inverter nearby. It can safely power your essential 240-volt electrical tools whenever and wherever you want. This lightweight and portable power station features pure sine wave technology, 36-volt drain capability, and all the needed outlets. You can also charge up some sensitive electronics like smartphones, laptops, and LED lights. Plus, it has an onboard LCD screen that shows load indicators and session runtimes, which allows you to optimize the power supply as per the requirements. DIYers often encounter moisture measurement, which is definitely one of the most crucial tasks. So let's conclude the list with this Ryobi moisture meter that is ideal for use around the home and in caravans. It helps you to find out whether the wood logs are ready for the project or not. This meter simply provides a real moisture content reading instantly on its screen. Thanks to the LED color code, you'll get the exact information about the wood log's condition. Due to its super compact size, taking measurements in confined spaces is no longer a problem with this moisture meter. Fast, simple, and accurate. So that was the list of the 10 coolest Ryobi power tools that you need to see. Thanks for watching our video. Like, comment, and share with your friends if you found this video helpful. Subscribe to our channel if you want more videos like this on your feed.